Is this the most powerful gaming and AI laptop of 2026? Today on Techo AV, we're reviewing the beast, the MSI Vector 16HX AI A2XW IG packed with Intel Core Ultra 9, RTX 50 series graphics, and a massive 240W combined power output. Let's see if this is true desktop-level performance in a laptop body. At the heart of this machine is the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX. 24 cores total. 8 performance cores. 16 efficiency cores. Boost clock up to 5.4 GHz. Built-in NPU for AI acceleration. 36 MB cache. MSI claims over 20% performance boost, and with this hybrid architecture, you get serious power efficiency and multitasking performance. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, coding, or running simulations, this CPU is built for heavy workloads. Memory and storage. 32GB DDR5 RAM supports higher speeds up to 6400 MHz depending on config. 1TB NVMe Gen4 SSD. Supports dual SSD, RAID 0 capable. Perfect for heavy multitasking, game libraries, and content creation workflows. Display, 240Hz QHD Plus Beauty. The 16-inch display features QHD Plus 2560 by 1600 resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, 16:10 aspect ratio, 100% DCI-P3 color coverage. This means smoother gaming and color-accurate creative work. It's immersive, fast, and sharp. Full support for all possibility. The Vector 16HX AI comes with the most complete I/O ports to support all kinds of data transmission or display output, giving gamers the maximized flexibility in using the laptop. 2x Thunderbolt 5, up to 120 gigabits per second bandwidth. HDMI 2.1, 8K 60Hz for K 120Hz. SD Express card reader. 2.5G LAN. Intel Killer Wi-Fi 7. Immerse yourself in gaming ambience. Experience the radiating vibrant lights of 24-zone RGB keyboard featuring illuminated WASD keys and uniquely designed keycaps for an immersive gaming journey infused with style. Key travel 1.7mm. Highlighted WASD. Equipped with number pad. IRFHD type, 30 FPS at 1080p, with HDR 3D noise reduction plus 3DNR plus. This laptop features the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 laptop GPU with 16GB VRAM. Up to 175W max graphics power. Boost clock up to 2287 MHz. 1334 RE tops. Built on NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, this GPU supports next-gen AI workloads, ray tracing, and DLSS 4. For gamers, expect ultra settings at QHD+. For creators, faster rendering and AI-enhanced workflows. This is not just a gaming GPU. It's an AI workstation GPU. MSI OverBoost Ultra, 240W combined power. Here's where things get insane. With MSI OverBoost Ultra technology, the laptop delivers 175W GPU, 65W CPU. Total combined power, 240W. That's desktop-level power in a 2.7 kg machine. Battery for cell 90 watts battery. MSI says it's designed for STEM professionals, and that makes sense. This is perfect for engineers, AI developers, data analysts, 3D designers, competitive gamers, streamers. MSI Cooler Boost 5. Innovative cooling solution. Crafted for perfection, our latest Cooler Boost 5 design offers tailored thermal solutions for both the CPU and GPU. With larger fans and broader heat pipes, it ensures optimal performance even during the most intense gaming sessions. 2 fans, 6 heat pipes. The MSI Vector 16HX AI A2XW is not just a gaming laptop. It's a portable AI-powered workstation. Desktop-level performance RTX 50 series graphics 240Hz QHD plus display Thunderbolt 5 future-ready connectivity. Downside? Heavy at 2.7 kilograms. Likely premium price. If budget isn't your concern, this is one of the most powerful laptops available right now. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is TechOAV bringing you the future of tech, today.